mortality found in the words of. He's saying words of Brahman. I mean, the whole thing seems wrong. I'm sorry, but
no. Beyond the mortality found. Sorry, the key word there is beyond.
Yeah, fine. Beyond the, but then he's using the wrong. He should say beyond the mortality of the words found in Brahman. Why is he saying Brahman? He should not say Brahman there. He should say Brahmaloka. Right away, he should say, the mortal world.
No, but Brahman, if in brackets, look at what he says, Brahmaloka.
Correct. So that completes it. But that, I mean, it's like the explanation is the better meaning. Why is that?
But see, the thing here is Brahma Lokeshu, the beyond word is not there in the mantra. Okay.
Correct.
Beyond word is not there in the mantra.
Correct.
That is why I find it difficult to take this interpretation that is there in the translation.
I'll be less charitable. I'll say it's just wrong, sounds wrong, feels wrong. I will just that's what I will say. But
I was surprised to see this translation. I was surprised.
It is a translation only.
I have to see some Tika and all. I have to see the Tika and see what.
Chat GPT translation.
Chat GPT. I'm not going to see. I have to look up Tika. I think, see what they say. But this is what I said is what is most likely.
I know only GT. I don't know GPT.
Yeah. So now.
I think Hema ji raised her hand first, so I'll let her go first.
Yeah, go ahead. Hema.
Yes, Guruji, that actually the mantra says, Te Brahma Lokeshu Parantakale Paramrutaha Parimuchyanti. So, Te Paramrutaha. But in the meaning given in the PDF says, Paramrutat Parimuchyanti, and the meaning given is from transcendent immortality. So, in the meaning, the Panchami is given, Paramrutat. But in the mantra, it is Te Paramrutaha. It's an adjective for them. They are Paramrutaha, but the meaning gives us Paramrutat, from transcendent immortality.
I'm looking at Maharana Upanishad. So, Paramritat, I've used some, what did I chant? We chant Paramritat, I think. Yeah, so there it is.
Another book I referred, Jaykumarji, that shows Paramritat.
Paramritat. See, here it says, Paramritat, it should be. Na karmana na prajaya dhane natyage naike anakatvama nashu. Mantra Pushpam. I have Mantra Pushpam with me. Page number 42-43. Pare nana kanni tanhayam vidrajate yadyatayo vishanti vedanta vijnana sunischitartha sannyasa yogat yataya shuddha sattva te brahma lokeshu para paramritat parimuchanti sarve. So paramritat says Mahanarayana Upanishad, but this is not Mahanarayana Upanishad. It's called Kaivalya Upanishad. So it is different. The word is different. So there it says Paramritat.
So someone's translation is all those in Brahmaloka. All those in Brahmaloka means realm of Brahma by the end of time became totally liberated through supreme immortality.
You are talking about that Mahanarayana?
No, Kaivalya Upanishad. Explanation. This mantra explanation. All those in Brahmaloka by the end of time become totally liberated through supreme immortality.
No. The supreme and all, we don't. Immortality is immortality. So End of time also. Where is this end of time? Where are you getting from?
Parantakale, maybe.
Ella, Parantakale. See, end of time happens when you understand that your Satyam time is Mithya. That is the end of time. That's the end of time. The time is not going to end. There's no question of end of time because this thing is going to continue forever. Correct? Brahmaji's life is after this Brahmaji, next Brahmaji is going to come. So there is no such thing called end of time.
No.
Only
So his,
end of.
sorry, his concept is what he is saying is at the end of the kalpa.
So who is translating like that?
Parsarya is translated.
End of the kalpa means what about the beginning of next kalpa? Then again he will come back. I mean, I don't know. This is very strange. Antakal. So Atyanta Nashaha only possible through Jnana. So time doesn't end, Ramuji. There's no end to time. So
His understanding.
yeah. That's okay. That's fine. So we are aware that's what he's saying. Harshadiji is saying. But यहाँ पर ऐसा there is no indication to me. Brahmalokeshu, he says. Brahmalokeshu in Brahmaloka, like that. So Brahmaloka. The loka of Brahman, Nirgunam Brahman is Brahmaloka, which is the entire universe, which is Satyam, which I am. Kshetrajna chapi mam vidhi. I can't be any different than Brahman. Otherwise, there will be two parallel realities. So, Pakka, our explanation is good. I'm happy with it.
Guruji, is it because
my
Paramritat
confusion
Panchami?
is the Paramritat.
Mama, two people are talking, ma. Please.
Mm.
Jyoti ji, please raise your hand. This Zoom is a little complicated. And if we were sitting in a hall like this, yeah, two people can talk and we can hear. But otherwise, it becomes very difficult. Yeah,
No.
Hema ji, do you still have something to say? Go ahead.
Yeah. My doubt was in the meaning it is given as Paramritat Parimuchyanti. Mantra says Paramritaha Parimuchyanti.
Okay.
So where that Panchami came and how that Panchami is explained, that is.
So you're saying that potentially the one who translated took it as Paramritat. Possibly. Paramritat. Because why is it Paramritat? Because Brahmaloka is the ultimate loka that people know, that Vedic people know of, etc. So like that, there may be some interpretation.
So
Yeah.
mantra is Paramritaha or Paramritat? Mantra is
Paramritaha only.
So, but how can it be translated as Paramrita?
It is not our translation, ma. Somebody has translated it. Where the website from which we picked up is the translator.
So that meaning is confusing. They are.
Ma, give up the translation, Hema.
Okay.
Give up the translation.
Okay. Then.
We should not be analyzing the translation. We should be analyzing the mantra.
Okay.
Give it up. That's why I said it's translation is different.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Swapna, go ahead.
Namaste. So yataha is a synonym to Atma. Yataha equals Atma.
Where are you getting the yataha from?
Vibhrajate yatayaha vishanti.
No,
so
yat.
Yataha.
Yatayaha.
Yataha. Okay, sorry. Yat equals Atma.
Correct. Yat. Everything that was described before, whatever it is described.
Yatta. Is it Yatta or Yat?
Yatayaha. Yatayo.
Yatayo
is yat plus yatayaha. No? So that pronoun yat, that.
Yat is Atma.
That which is talked about before, which is nakar, which is what is the mantra, right? Yad yatayo vishanti. So which is parena nakam, which is guhayam nihitam. Yat atma, yat brahma.
So I have a couple of questions. So yatayaha, what's the pratipadikam of yatayaha and which vibhakti is it?
Yati is the Pratipadikam. Yati. So yatihi, yati, yatayaha or something. I have to look at it.
Oh,
Yati.
it's Bahuvachana. Okay.
Yeah, it's just Prathama Vibhakti. Bahuvachana. That's all.
Okay. And just to point out, in Mahanarayana Upanishad, the Vibrajate, that so it spells into page 43 in Mantra Pushpam.
Right.
Uhayam Vibraja Detat.
Correct.
Vibrajate yatayaha. So,
Correct.
what is
Good
the
observation.
difference?
Good observation. Good observation. So there it is different. So
Okay. How does that break up?
Vibrajate, tadyatayo,
Vibrajadetat.
Vibrajate. Then I have to split it and see what is saying. Vibrajate tadyatayo vishanti. Now there is that difference. Vibrajate tadyatayo vishanti. That's what we're used to chanting. And Vibrajate.
Would it be Vibrajat etad? Vibrajat etad.
I don't know. I don't know how to split the sandhi. I have to look into it.
Okay. Okay. Then here, sannyasa yogat yatayah shuddha sattvaha. So, sannyasa yogat, Panchami Vibhakti, right?
Correct.
Yatayah. So, here also, yatayah is the yati, the people who make the effort. From. Yogat is...
By the discipline of sannyasa yoga.
Okay.
There it is given as yatayaha. Yatayaha it is typed.
Where is it given? There means where?
In that PDF, the mantra 1-3, the second line, Sannyasa Yogat Yatayaha. It is given.
My PDF says yatayo vishanti. My
It is
PDF.
yatayaha.
Huh?
Yatay.
It's yatayaha, not yatayaha.
Right. It is yatayah.
I don't know.
Yatayo becomes yatayaha, Bhagini.
No. In my PDF, that is how it is typed. I don't know which. I have taken a printout. It says Yatayaha.
Adyatrayam.
Brahma Rupam.
Okay.
Jagadrupam Tatodvayam.
Jagatrupam.
Tatodvayam.
Okay.
So Adyatrayam means what? Asti Mati Priyam is Adyatrayam. The first three. Adyatrayam is first three. Describes Brahma.
Asti bhati priyam.
Correct. Jagadrupam Tatodvayam. Tatodvayam means the two after the first three.
Nama and Amsha.
Nama rupa. Rupam and nama.
Rama and Rupa is Jagat, refers to Jagat Rupam. Beautiful mantra it is. Mahesh, go ahead.
There was a lot of discussion. One of the book I have, it says in this mantra, it is Paramrutat. He specifically splits it as Paramrutat Parimuchyanti Sarve. It's not Paramrutaha.
Let me get the other two books I have. Okay, so Swami Tattvavidanandaji's book says Paramrutaha. Let's see.
Some of you may have Gita Press book, right? So I don't know. I don't have it, but
Even
I
the
have,
PDF
but I'll
says
refer it.
Paramritaha. PDF also says Paramritaha.
yeah, I know. PDF says Paramartha. Yes.
Paramritaha. So the 3 books I see, 4 books say Paramritaha. So I really doubt, because this is Swami Vidatmanandaji, Tattvidanandaji and all. So Tattvidanandaji is a Vedic Pandit. So I will have to take that as true. So that's it. So that's fine. Paramritat comes in Mahanarayana Upanishad. That also is correct. That also we know. We do chant Paramritat, Parimuchanti Sarve. That's how we chant, right? Haraprasadji is nodding his head. So, yeah. So there's no conflict. We just have to see how to interpret that one. The Mahanarayana mantra. Okay. That will do it another time. Because I have to. There are other Yetat and all is coming. So I need to see how that splits. Okay. Yes, Mahesh.
One other question, Jayakumar. One other question.
Yeah.
In this, we are learning this Kaivalya Upanishad, also Mundaka Upanishad. In Kaivalya Upanishad, Brahmaji is teaching the Brahmajnanam, right? He himself is teaching in Kaivalya Upanishad. Whereas in the Mundaka Upanishad, it is from Brahmaji to, the other people, in the sense, Atharva to Angira to Satyavaha to Angira, then Shavanaka. So after several months. So does it really mean this was precedes the other one?
Sorry, which precedes what?
This Kaivalya Upanishad precedes Mundaka Upanishad.
No, we don't know.
Or this is because this came from Brahmaji himself teaching. Is it?
I've not heard one way or the other. And
oh.
We generally don't put timelines. You know why? You know why we don't put timelines?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it is a circular.
Correct.
Cycle.
We have no idea. Before, after is a very vague thing. Like
no, I'm saying in the lineage, here it is talking about Brahma teaching. Like, for example, here says Brahma teaching Atharva. Here Brahmaji is teaching someone else. Right?
Yeah. That's fine. So, I have not heard anything one way or the other.
As you said in the other class, these two are two different Brahmajis.
Could be possible.
Right? We said that, that is Sanat Kumara. Then we said, okay, this is Atharva, he teaches, and then now he is teaching someone else. So there may be different Brahmaji.
Could be. Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, sir, actually, there's so much debate going about paramritaha. So, te paramritaha parimuchanti sarve. If you take Anvaya like that, then maybe paramritaha is only apt, I think. Te paramritaha parimuchanti.
That is not the logic. We can't go by that logic because we don't have the right to change Upanishad words.
No, sir, I am not changing. It is paramritaha is given. So instead of Panchami, if you take te paramritaha, then paramritaha will be correct.
But Sannyasa Yogat is there. Sannyasa Yogat is there. So Panchami, one Panchami word is there. There can be many more Panchamis. There can be many more Panchamis in the mantra. Add one more Panchami, Paramritat. Now you figure out, figure out what is the Paramritat, correct?
Te Sannyasa Yoga Yatayaha Shuddha Sattvaha Vedanta Vijnana Sunishchitarthaha iti.
Wait. What you said is correct. Te Paramritaha is goes well. I'm saying sannyasa yogat panchami is there in the mantra. So if one panchami is there in the mantra, you can have any number of panchamis in the mantra. So paramrita is another panchami.
Yeah.
It's what,
If you
what?
take parimuchanti as a verb, then te parimuchanti paramritat. That also
I'm
may
saying,
be
no, I'm saying no, I'm saying you are not correct. Te shuddha sattvaha paramritat sannyasa yogat parimuchanti, I will say.
No.
Because Maharayana Upanishad says paramritat. That is why the discussion is coming here, is it not?
Yeah, I know. That is why I thought maybe if this is the thing they have written here and there it is.
So we'll find out. We'll find out what the Mahanarayana says. I'll try to find that out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Haraji, please.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Can you explain once again Anyonya Adhyasa, the explanation you give, please?
Yeah, correct. So Adhyasa is a very important thing to understand in Vedanta. Not difficult at all. All of you know what Adhyasa is. Adhyasa means what? Superimposition. Projecting something on something else. Okay. Projecting something on something else which is not something. Projecting something. I'm trying my best to use the right language without confusing you. Projecting A on B. B is not A. Thereby thinking that this is A, but it is actually B. Like in the rope snake example, popular example. Okay. It's called adhyasa. Now, so I projected a water on the desert sand. I projected that this movement on sun, when sun itself doesn't move. So all these are projections, adhyasas. All right, good. Now, in the case of this, when I apply that logic to the body, to myself, okay, then I'm projecting. What am I projecting? I am projecting the body on myself. Body is body. Nobody denies body. Body is there, very much there. But I am projecting the body on myself, on Atma. Means what? I am projecting the attributes of the body on myself. Okay. The body's attributes are color, shape, weight, all these things are attributes of the body. I project it on myself, Atma. Because why I'm saying a project? Because Atma does not have those attributes. Height, weight, and all doesn't belong to Atma. Okay. But I say I am this, I am that. Nothing wrong in saying I am 5.5 feet tall. Nothing wrong in saying that. It does communicate a fact. Nothing wrong in saying I am, 60 pounds, 70, 100 pounds, whatever. Nothing wrong in saying that. But taking it as literal, that's where the problem is. Okay. And that is one type of adhyasa. Now there is another adhyasa where I project myself, Atma, on the body. What kind of adhyasa is that? That is because, really speaking, body is jadam. Body is inert. Body is not conscious. Body cannot. Body is jadam. Body is not conscious at all. But then I project that Atma's consciousness on the body. How? By saying our body is conscious, obviously. Obviously, body is conscious. That too, I say obviously, body is conscious. Well, it's not obvious at all. It's a mistake. It's a mistaken conclusion. Body is not conscious. But I say body is conscious. Medical field might say such, so they might use certain words. So certain attributes of Atma are being projected on the body. And of course, attributes of the body, of the senses and everything else is being projected on the self. So the main, that is called anyonya, mutual. A on B and B on A. Mutual. Anyonya means mutual. A is projected on B, B is also projected on A. That is the meaning of adhyasa.
Okay. Yeah. And I got one more question. In the Mangala Charanam sloka, I don't have one with the swaras. So if anybody has it, I would like to have it.
Oh,
So Bhadram Karane. Bhadram Karane.
It's on
Yeah.
YouTube, Prasadji.
Oh, okay. I will look. With the swaras?
Yeah, the Mundaka Upanishad PDF has got swaras.
On Bhadram Karane?
Correct.
Yes.
So Mundaka Upanishad, for some reason, we missed it out in this printout. I am sorry about that. But the Mundaka Upanishad PDF, if you have that, it has all the swaras. Or if you have Mantra Pushpam.
Yeah. No, I have it in Kannada. It does not have it.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Kannada Mantra Pushpam does not have swara, is it?
No, my book does not have it.
Oh, your book. Okay, it's not Mantra Pushpam. All right.
Yeah, I have it right here. Yeah.
So you can look up that.
Okay.
Hariprasad ji, if you want, I can make that printout of one page in PDF and send it.
Okay. That will be very good, Ramesh.
So I can send it to the group so that
Yeah.
whoever doesn't have it can take it. Just
Okay.
one page of that Shanti part.
Okay.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತ ನಮಗೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿಗಳೇ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ
Namaste, Ajay Kumar. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I just want to share, when you said take it granted, you mentioned take it granted. So that reminds me, one of the Buddhist monk says why it is difficult to accept. It is too close to you. So like a paradox, closer than the closest, it is too close to you. So that reminds me when you said it's taken granted. Other thing is like it's too subtle to grasp also. So those are the two things I remind.
Anoraniyan Mahato Mahiyan.
Yeah.
Good. So, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalashahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanataya Sri Mahavishnave Namaha.
Thank you, Jacob.
Thank you, Guruji.
Dhanyawada, Jay Kumar ji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ.
ನಮೋ ನಮಃ.
Guruji, namaskar.
Namaste. Our camp is coming up shortly, no? I hope some of you are coming, huh?
You can
Hema is
stop the
coming.
recording. Guruji, can you stop the recording?